Hi, my name is Avianna Torres, and the things that I wanted to share from this course are the assignments and assessments that I included into my lesson plan. To begin, in engagement, me and my co-teachers created a story or a book about things that we do during the months and the weekdays. So in this YouTube video, we have descriptions of things that we each individually do during the days of the week and the months, just to help our students get engaged and interested in the topic that we're about to introduce, which was calendars, and to just get them excited overall about learning about the calendar. Next, we have another activity, which is having the students put together a calendar as a class. So this is a class calendar. Here we have all the parts to a calendar where the teachers would guide the students to put it together, and all the students would be giving their input into what should be included and how it would be included in all the different possible answers. So for the months, the students would be presenting all the different months that could be listed here, and then in the end we would create the calendar for the actual month we were in. We have another formal assessment, which students should have learned how the order of the months and the days of the week, but here we're focused on the months. So with the previous knowledge from the lesson, students should be able to put all of these in order on their own. We have another activity where it requires them to work with partners. So we created this worksheet for them to discuss their ideas and explain their thinking to themselves and their partners. So these are really about the current weekdays, the current months, the past, the present, future, and the students would just discuss with one another about their answers and why they think their answer is correct or not. And then we also have these applications with the Starfall Let's Make a Calendar. The students would be going through and putting together a calendar.
It's May 2021. Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
So in this activity, they would be putting the days of the weekend, the numbers, the month, the year, and then they would just place simple activities that they might want to include, or events or holidays. We had a second application called ABC Yeah, which was very similar to just incorporating activities for the students and placing them on the calendar.
The calendar game. We have lots of things to do each month. A calendar can help to keep us organized.
So in this activity, they would pick from a whole selection of activities that they want to do in this month, and then they would have to determine, what is 3 weeks away from this exact date, and the students would just make predictions. I wanted to share all of these activities and applications because I just thought that it was useful in the way that me and my co-teachers created all of these on our own. We prepared them for our lesson plan, and I just thought it was really fun and unique for us to actually create our own formal assessments and input our own applications for the students to use. Thank you.